Hello dear students, how are you? Shifali ma'am is back with another topic in mathematics, and this time we shall talk about subtraction. You are all familiar with subtraction of two-digit numbers, and now we are going to learn subtraction with three-digit numbers. We all know what subtraction means. It means to take away, and when we take away something, we are left with less. The words commonly associated with subtraction are find the difference, how much is left, finding less than, etc. The sign of subtraction is called the minus sign. Let us now quickly revise the properties of subtraction. We need to remember that whenever we subtract 0 from any number, the number remains the same. For example, if we subtract 0 from 8, we get 8. If we subtract 0 from 88, then we have 88 as the answer. And if we subtract 0 from 888, then the difference is 888 only. That is the same numbers. Now, let's see the next property of subtraction. That is subtraction of two same numbers. Whenever we subtract two same numbers, the difference is 0. For example, 8 minus 8 is 0. Or 88 minus 88. Again, we get 0. And when we subtract 888 and 888, then also the difference is 0. The third property of subtraction is that when we subtract 1 from any number, we get the previous or the before number as the answer. For example, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. And when we subtract 1 from 88, we get 87. And on subtracting 1 from 888, we get 887, which is the previous number or the before number. Whenever any two numbers are given to us for subtraction, we need to remember to write the numbers correctly under the ones, tens and hundreds column. Let us learn this through one example. Let us subtract 105 from 375. First, we need to write the numbers correctly under the hundreds, tens and ones column, and then start subtracting from the ones side. In this case, we first subtract numbers in the ones column, that is 5 minus 5. It's easy, isn't it? Yes, you guessed it right. It's 0. Moving on to the tens column, we now subtract the numbers under the tens column, that is 0 from 7, and we get the answer 7. Lastly, we subtract the number in the hundreds column, that is 1 from 3, and the difference is 2. So, 375 minus 105 is 270. Let us do another example. Let us subtract 170 from 876. Now students, explain yourself. Write the numbers correctly under the hundreds, tens and ones column. Great! Easy, wasn't it? So, I think you all enjoyed subtracting the numbers. But you know students, in case you have to subtract a bigger number out of the smaller one. How should we do that? If you remember, for such sums, we used to say the jingle. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same, zeros the game. Come on students, repeat with me. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same, zeros the game. Students, as we practice more of subtraction sums in the class, you will understand it better. Now, find out where all subtraction is used in your daily life, and we shall discuss in our classes. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you all.